How to log into your Discord account with a QR code. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to log into your Discord account using a QR code. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see under user settings, the last option down is scan QR code. So tap on that one. And then on your PC, ensure that you have the Discord login page open, and you'll see there's a QR code on the right. So all you do is just hover over that code, and then it will ask you on your phone, are you trying to log in on the computer? Then you tap on yes, log me in, and it will log you into the account on your computer as well. So you don't have to type in all of your passwords and your username and details. And as you can see, I'm now logged in on desktop. And that's all it takes to log into your Discord account using a QR code. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.